Hi everybody, I'm Caitie and welcome to my classroom. Today we are making a baby shark craft. For our craft today, we need one big blue sheet of paper, one small blue sheet of paper, something to trace to make a circle, scissors, a sponge for paint, a cotton swab for paint, white paint, blue paint, a glue stick, 2 googly eyes, a black pencil crayon, a clothespin, that will help us later, and something to put your paint on. So to get started, we are going to trace this bowl to make a circle on our big blue sheet of paper. Put it down on top like that and take our black pencil crayon and trace it all the way around the circle. There. Now, we'll use the scissors and cut along the line to cut out our circle. You can get a grown-up to help you with this part if cutting on the line and using scissors is a little tricky. It takes some practice. We'll cut all the way around. And this blue circle is going to be the body of our baby shark. We're gonna decorate it to make it look just like the baby shark in the video. All the way around. There. We can put this off to the side. And now we have our circle for our baby shark body. We're gonna fold it in half. So imagine there's a line right down the middle, and fold it on that line. And then try and line up the edges of the circle as best as you can. Then push down on that fold, just like that. So it's kind of like a book. And that's gonna be our baby shark body. This is where the clothespin comes in handy. So we can put the clothespin on the circle, and that's gonna help keep it closed while we start painting. So we're gonna get our blue paint, put some blue paint out, and use our sponge to dab in the paint, and we're gonna paint baby shark's belly. So we can hold on to the pin and dab, 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 dab. All along the bottom of baby shark's body. That's gonna make a nice light blue body for baby shark. This part's really fun. There. Now once that's done, you wanna leave it to dry before you can do anything else. And I have one here that's already dry, so I'll bring this one out. And now we can keep making baby shark's body. So baby shark needs some other parts of his body. He needs a tail, a fin, and a little arm. So we're gonna use our smaller blue sheet of paper and our black pencil crayon to make these parts of the body. So just freehand, you can use your crayon to make a big baby shark tail, like that. Make sure to leave some room where we're gonna glue it on. And baby shark's fin for the top of his body, and baby shark's little arm, like that. This doesn't have to be perfect. You can get a grown-up to help you with this too. Now we're gonna cut out those baby shark pieces. So there is his arm and his tail. Baby shark needs his tail so he can swim. There we go. And his fin that goes on the top of his body. All sharks have those big fins on the top of their body, so you can see them coming. Do, 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 do. All right. Now these scraps of paper we don't need anymore, so we'll take them out of the way. And now we can glue on these baby shark pieces of his body. So we got his tail. The tail's gonna go underneath. So we're gonna glue it here on the top. We'll put a little bit of glue. We got our glue stick. Put a little bit of glue on the end of the tail. And we'll stick it right underneath his body and give it a little squeeze so it stays on. There we go. And now Baby Shark's fin for the top of his body. Put a little bit of glue on that. There we go. And that's gonna go underneath Baby Shark right here, but right in the middle. Give it a little squeeze so it sticks on. And finally, Baby Shark's little arm. It's gonna go right up here like he's waving a hello. Put some glue on his arm and put it right underneath. Woo. Give it a little squeeze so it sticks on. There. It's looking more and more like Baby Shark. His arm, his fin, and his tail. But he still needs a face. So we're gonna put his 2 eyes on and a big smile. Let's get our googly eyes. Put a little bit of glue on the back of googly eye. And we'll start making Baby Shark's face. Put one right there. Push down a little bit so it sticks on. 1 eye, 2 eyes. There, it's looking cuter already. Now once you're done with your glue stick, you want to put the cap back on. You don't want your glue stick to dry out. So now we can use our black crayon to make a big Baby Shark smile. We'll start up here and make a big smile like that. Very nice. And while we have our crayon out, we can draw some marks on the side of Baby Shark's body. Those are his gills. That's how sharks breathe underwater. But Baby Shark's missing something still. He needs teeth, big Baby Shark teeth. So we're gonna use our white paint, little bit of white paint. And this is pretty neat. We're gonna use our cotton swab to make Baby Shark's teeth. So dip the end of the cotton swab into the white paint and we'll press down to make Baby Shark's teeth. Let's see how many we can fit on his smile. 1, 2, 3, get a little more paint. 4, 5 Baby Shark teeth. Look at that. Our Baby Shark is done. When your Baby Shark is all dry and ready to play with, then you can prop him up like this and tip his tail and he swims. Do 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 do. And you can make Baby Shark's whole family. We got lots more paper and paint and we made a mama shark, a papa shark, a grandma shark, and a grandpa shark. You can prop them all up and make them all swim together by tapping their tails. Do 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 do. There they go. I hope you had fun making your Baby Shark craft. We'll see you next time. Woo!